क्या आपको लगता है कि आप रिश्ते बनाने में, दूसरों के साथ अपने रिलेशंस मेंटेन करने में थोड़ा कमजोर हैं या आप बहुत अच्छे हैं? सो दिस इज एक्चुअली इंटरपर्सनल इंटेलिजेंस। जो इंटरपर्सनल इंटेलिजेंस के धनी होते हैं वो बहुत अच्छे रिलेशनशिप्स बिल्ड करते हैं और उनके बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, वो बहुत सोशल होते हैं क्योंकि उनको रिलेशंस को कैसे मेंटेन रखना है ये बहुत अच्छी तरह से आता है। वो उनका बर्थडे याद रखेंगे, उनको बर्थडे पे विश करेंगे, उनके लिए एक्स्ट्रा करेंगे बर्थडे पे और एनिवर्सरीज पे भी वो कभी भूलेंगे नहीं क्योंकि उनको रिलेशनशिप्स मेंटेन करना बहुत अच्छे से आता है और वो इसको इम्पोर्टेंस भी देते हैं। सो यू नो देयर इज अ ह्यूज लिस्ट of careers associated with this. You know, sometimes it happens that in a family the parents are not like this, but the children are more and more in this kind of intelligence, interpersonal intelligence. So they remember the dates and then they come and tell, mama, आज बुआ का बर्थडे है, आज मासी का बर्थडे है, आज मासी की एनिवर्सरी है, उनको विश कर दो, आज इन भैया का बर्थडे। So this is how our kids help us maintain relations with others. So then these kids are possessing interpersonal intelligence. Help them pursue this as a career because there is an endless list of careers associated with it. Let us come to that. First one is counselor or therapist. The counselors and therapists are working on this because unless you build rapport with your client, you cannot counsel them. Do you agree with me? आप किसी से भी काउंसलिंग करवाओगे या थेरेपी लोगे जिसके साथ में आपको कनेक्शन ही ना हो, आपको लगेगा कि एक स्ट्रेंजर है, मैं उसके साथ में अपनी फीलिंग्स कैसे शेयर कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ, isn't it? So first they build relationships with you and then only they can counsel or give therapy to you, right? Second career is teacher or corporate trainer. It is not easy for everyone to become a teacher, although it is an irony that teacher is not a good paid job, but a teacher can be a person who is rich in interpersonal intelligence only. A corporate trainer, this is also one of the job or career associated with interpersonal intelligence because it is about understanding every kind of audience, listening to them, every kind of student. So this has to go through understanding the different learning styles because some audience, some people will understand in a different manner, some people will understand in a different manner. So a teacher or a trainer has to understand every kind of learner, you know. Third kind of career that is aligned with interpersonal intelligence goes like HR, that is human resource specialist or manager or recruiter, because these kind of persons have to understand the person who is sitting in front of them so as to become a best fit for their organization or the company they are working for. Understanding this is required so that they can know that this will not be a misfit for the organization, and this will give more productivity to the organization. That is why they need such kind of intelligence. Fourth career is sales representative or customer service or business development managers, executives. This is very much required. आपने सुना ही होगा कि जो मार्केटिंग वाला बंदा होता है, अच्छा बंदा होता है, वो गंजे को भी कंगी बेच के आ जाता है। क्यों? क्योंकि इंटरपर्सनल इंटेलिजेंस उसका अच्छा है, क्योंकि वो अपने बोलने में, हिंदी में कहते हैं ना वाक्पटुता, वो अच्छी है उसकी। तो इसलिए जिनकी वाक्पटुता अच्छी है या इंटरपर्सनल इंटेलिजेंस अच्छी है वो एक अच्छे सेल्स रेप भी बन सकते हैं। फिफ्थ कैरियर इज टीम लीडर और मैनेजर। और टीम अच्छा काम कर रही है कि नहीं कर रही है, मैनेजर्स देखेंगे, टीम लीडर देखेंगे। लीडरशिप स्किल्स चाहिए, लीडरशिप स्किल्स के लिए क्या चाहिए? अच्छी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स चाहिए। तो ये सब किस में होगा? इंटरपर्सनल इंटेलिजेंस वाले लोगों में। सो इफ यू फील दैट योर चिल्ड्रन आर possessing this kind of intelligence, or you are possessing this kind of intelligence, pursue careers in those intelligences. Because see, if you are possessing this kind of intelligence but you are looking for career in some other kind of intelligence, you won't get satisfaction, you won't get to know, like, you will feel that your passion is not like working for your life, then you will feel lost. So it's better to work in that field in which you have a passion. Do you agree with me? So if you find yourself thriving in these group settings or naturally understanding others, then pursue your career in interpersonal intelligence. If you want to know more about various kind of intelligences, see all my videos wherein I have talked about different kinds of intelligences. If you want to know more, you can contact me, DM me. If you like my ideas, follow and share with others.